up, guys? This is episode 2. In this video, we're going to be cleaning this thing out because it's kind of gross to be sitting in here right now. So let's get to it. Alright, and here to give you guys a good before. See, this side's relatively clean compared to the passenger side. And look at all this grossness in there. Some in the seat too, and then there's a whole bunch of crap behind the seat. So that's what we're going to be cleaning up today. So let's get to it. Alright, and here is the after shot. So you can see we took the seats out, some more of the carpet, cleaned all the dash off pretty well. Might have to kind of scrub some more of it because it's pretty bad. Cleaned out underneath the center console there, underneath this side. This side was really, really bad. Underneath here was actually all wet. As you can see, all that rust there, and actually behind that plate right there is where the ECU sits. So I have to investigate that a little bit, make sure all that's still okay, but the thing runs still, so I'm sure it's fine. But so we've got the carpet over here. This goes behind the seats vertically right there, and then we've got the rear shelf carpet right there. The center console, the cup holder, some other little trim pieces over there, and then the two seats at the driver's side over here and passenger side. You can see I still need to clean it up a little bit better, but this is pretty good. They probably need to be shampooed really, really well. This is just vacuuming, and as you can see, the passenger side here still got quite a bit of grossness left in it, but it's a pretty good start. So we got the door panels kind of scrubbed down a little bit too, but you know, they've got a little bit of residue or something left on them still, so they might need to be scrubbed a little bit better too with some actual like soap and water or something. Same with that one over there, it's a little better, but overall, pretty clean. And the gauge cluster is the same story. It was kind of but it's actually still in good shape, so that's promising. So yeah, this was a pretty good, pretty productive day. Got the whole inside cleaned out. All right, so that's a wrap on episode 2. Thank you guys for all of your support, for liking, commenting, and subscribing. That really helps out. Really appreciate all that love. So the next episode we're going to be doing is getting that front end straightened out a little bit, trying to get this thing to drive a little bit better. And then we're going to hopefully try to take it for its first test drive, its first real test drive. And then after that, we're going to try to get hopefully a real alignment on this thing and make sure that we can actually try to drive this thing. So stay tuned for that. And for now, peace out.